Hey, it's Heather Michet. I'm excited. I've got my full mason bee nesting boxes. They are now taken out of winter storage, so to speak, and placed in their spots to hatch and then fill up those cells once again with mason bee larvae and mud. I was a little bit leery, not afraid, but certainly concerned about what was I going to find as I unwrapped the bee houses, these mason bee houses that I put in the woodshed over winter, wrapped very well in order to let those larvae stay in the boxes as opposed to getting pecked out by birds, which happened very soon after all the cells got full. So this is one of my favorite spots that I have the boxes put up, and they are not attached in any way to the house or to the downspout. It's a great spot because it's got such a great overhang here under my eaves. Therefore, there's no way for the rain to get onto the surface and wash out the mud and wash out the larvae. Yes. I'll show you my other favorite spot for a bunch of nest boxes. Here is a stack of 6 mason bee nest boxes right on top of my electric meter. This is a really good location as well because it is under the eaves, but also because it's on the east side and the rain really doesn't come from the east. It's got to be pretty weird wind or storm to be actually having this side of the house get wet or rain. Probably wondering what the heck happened here. Yeah, so that is where lovely red-shafted flickers were digging into some of the nesting tunnels to dig out the larvae last year. So we'll keep on experimenting. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being part of the solution and doing what you can to protect pollinators, promote their life and living, and all of their great benefits for the environment, which includes us. Keep great care. Do like this video and share it with any other nature enthusiasts and those interested in promoting life on Earth, and particularly pollinators. See you in the next video.